even more. You rake that sucker in like so, and you let it do what it do, baby. It's wash and go season, big pull. So I'm starting off with the Poppin Curls Pineapple Leave-In. I want to show how it mixes well with the Ecostyle Olive Oil Gel. It looks like it mixes well as long as it's not clumping. Now we're going to try the Briogeo Curl Charisma Leave-In with the Ecostyle Olive Oil Gel. We're going to rub that in and see if it mixes well. And this is what we're getting. It's clumping. Like, you see the clumpage? That's telling me that it's not going to do well. You're going to get flakes. It's going to be residue. It's going to be a mess. A big fail. And I use my brush with the best brush. I know that you guys seen this brush a million times in my videos, so I wanted to show you guys again with my 360 Mister, because who needs saturated hair? We need saturated hair when we do a wash and go. I start off with 4 sections in my hair, and then I divide them into little pieces so that we can work in small sections. So we ready. I put the leave-in conditioner in, the Poppin Pineapple from Curls, in my hair in the shower. So now I'm just gonna distribute it with this detangling brush that I always use called Brush with the Best, because it is the best. It's clumping my hair. So as you can see, the Pineapple Poppin Curls Leave-In and the Ecostyle Olive Oil mixed very well in the beginning of this video. So now I'm gonna take some of the Ecostyle. You don't need a lot. You need more water than the actual gel. And I say that because that's why a lot of people complain of buildup in their hair. If you let the leave-in conditioner penetrate before you put in your gel, you get clumpage like that. So that's what I do. I work in sections like this, and we're gonna do this throughout my whole head. But when we get to the front, I change it up a little bit because my textures are just texturing all over my head, you know. It does what it wants, and I have, as all of us do, we have all different textures. So get with it or get going. I don't know why people think you could just be like, I'm just 4A, I'm just 4B, I'm just 3C, I'm just 3A. No, you could be a mixture of everything. It's just another way to just get us confused. Front, as you can see, we got the juice. Who got the juice? We got the juice. So I think I said it right. That's from Meek Mills, if you didn't know. Porosity. So it literally just soaks the product up like immediately. So I'm just gonna put the stuff on my hair. You see, I smooth it on first. I use a little bit of more water. And then I use the detangling brush to distribute the rest. Then I smooth it on again once I distribute it like that. So now, since I shingle and do like a little finger coil, that the hair is more flowy, it's not sticking together, it's not getting matted. So I like to separate them as I do my hair because it just does better that way. As you can see, it makes the curls more uniform since I have a different texture in the front of my hair. And all the curls are looking clumpage in and it's looking poppin'. So when it dries, it's gonna do what it do, you know what I'm saying? So, if you don't know what I'm saying, then I'm sorry. I'm gonna do one more section with y'all of how I do the front so you can get like a little gist, just in case you guys wanna try out a wash and go. I know this is not the easiest style, but this was the first style that I actually mastered because the twist out was not my friend in the beginning. I had like issues. I was like at an awkward stage. I don't think I was taking it down properly when my hair was shorter. So that's what the issue was. So I used to just do wash and goes all the time. So that was how that went. And I'm gonna do the same here. Once you get the hang of it, it'll go faster. I'm doing it slower so you guys can get the gist. But I kind of like smooth it and then I go down like that just so that the curls are a little bit more uniform. I could rake them too to to give me more elongation, because when you do this, it's going to give you a little bit more shrinkage, but it's going to give you the definition you want. And that's if you want a lot of definition. See, I usually don't mind doing this because I like to have, not that I'm obsessed with definition, because I end up like picking most of it out anyway, but it's because it gives me more volume too on day one, and my hair, it lasts for like the whole week and it gets bigger and bigger. So this is the results after I applied all of the products. We used more water than gel, and this is the results. I washed and deep conditioned it. I deep conditioned it with Pattern Beauty's deep conditioner, and it really helps when you treat your hair prior to doing a wash and go with a nice deep conditioner, repair and mask, because it just gives the definition even more oomph. And if you don't use a mask, if it's your week to just do maybe a conditioner or rinse out conditioner, make sure it's like a really moisturizing conditioner, because it really helps to penetrate the products. And here you have it. This is how it looks wet. I'm gonna dry it and let it dry, and then come back to you to show you what it looks like once it's dry. I dried my hair for 15 minutes under my dryer. I got this dryer from Jenny's Beauty Supply Store here in DFW. You can find it at any DFW store. It's amazing. It adjusts like a million different times so that you can sit under there properly. I had Brianna paint my nails because that's what she does for her mama, because she loves her mama. And my hair is about 60% dry here. It's mostly the roots that are dry. I let the rest air dry. If I sit under the dryer for about 15 minutes, guess what? The rest of my hair will dry before the end of the day. I just have to speed it up a little bit, especially when it's not really, really hot outside. But it's giving me life. As you can see, I'm feeling myself. Okay, guys. So these are my results after it dried and I stretched it out. I just pulled it apart like that. That's a time lapse of me just pulling my hair apart. I let it completely dry. The other snippet that I just showed was basically my hair like 60% dry. I did not sit under the dryer the whole time. I only sit under the dryer for about 15 minutes. And look at this little girl just being unruly. I sat under the dryer for like 15 minutes and let the top and the roots dry, because that's like the hardest part to dry, and then I just air dried the rest, put my bonnet on, and I didn't take it off on Sunday because I was napping most of the day on Sunday. Your girl was exhausted. And then today is Monday, which my video is going live today. I took my hair out, fluffed it, and just pulled a little bit at the roots, picked the roots, separated it like this, and this is what we have. This is basically day 3 here, but I didn't take it out of the bonnet yesterday, so it could be considered day 2 as well. So this is the hair, this is the wash and go. We got volume, we got shape, we got definition. We serving the people. We are serving the people. Okay, so I'm feeling this combo. I usually use different combos all the time for wash and goes. As you can see, I tried out both combos. The Briogeo with Ecogel did not work. It clumped up, which tells you that it would be buildup in some type of like flakiness. So we've seen that the Poppin pineapples from Curls and the Ecogel mixed well. As you can see, there's no buildup whatsoever. There's nothing sitting on top of my hair. I use Melanin hair care to fluff my hair. It's given me, and to take out the crunch, and it's giving me soft curls, moisturized curls. It's giving me what I want. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you like what you see here and you're not a part of my family, why don't you click that bell, press subscribe, and leave a comment below and let me know you joined the family. If not, come back again, because I'm gonna be here. I ain't going nowhere, you hear me? Anyway, thank you all for watching.